Welcome. This week we had a few cases of acute diarrhea. Acute diarrhea most of the time results from indiscretion in diet, or it may be infection also. Other reason for acute diarrhea, one can say that it can be an acute exacerbation of chronic process like you may say irritable bowel syndrome or colitis and such diseases. They may cause acute exacerbation of diarrhea. How do we approach cases of diarrhea? Just as we had seen in the cases of fever, we have a group of remedy which comes more often. Similarly, in cases of diarrhea, one can think of a group of remedy which we can consider in the beginning itself. You have to remember arsenic album as the first remedy which comes very often for acute diarrhea resulting from either from food or infection, where a person starts not only loose motions but maybe vomiting also, and you give arsenic album 1 ml or preferably 10 ml, and the acute diarrhea just gets controlled. So arsenic album is one of the important remedy in cases of diarrhea. Another group which we can think of, aloes, croton tiglinum and natrum sal. Now these remedies I am grouping together simply because of some similarity in their presentation. Another is of course nux vomica and rustox, which may also come for diarrhea. Colocynth you have to remember, especially suppose if cases of diarrhea either along with diarrhea or after that, the pain remains, acute pain in abdomen, and the fellow complains of the loose motions might have been controlled, but the acute pain in abdomen where colocynth may be useful. Similarly, remember sulfur, which may come at the end of the treatment just to have the full control over the whole process. China is one of the remedies we have to remember in cases of diarrhea, especially because what happens with the loose stools coming out, the person may feel weak. In that case, China is very useful. In cases of children, of course, don't forget chamomilla. Also, rheum, R-H-U-M, rheum and maggar, both of them have got what we call as a very sour smelling stool. In cases of diarrhea, it is very important to advise patient about diet, especially in children. You can advise rice kanji, buttermilk, pomegranate juice or apple juice and such things, where diet is very, very important. Along with that, if the diarrhea is a bit severe, you can of course ORS solution you should have in your hand. Now with this we are able to control acute exacerbation of diarrhea or the acute diarrhea resulting from indiscretion in diet or infection. Chronic diarrhea is a different entity altogether, which of course we will be studying subsequently. This is Dr. Apte from Association for Research in